Hi, my name is Brad Siff. I'm the founder of BioWave. Today we're going to have a video that explains how you can get immediate long-lasting pain relief from your BioWaveGO unit for the treatment of forearm pain. The first step is we need to identify the location of pain on the forearm. So palpate, find one or two locations of pain where it hurts. Now that you've identified that, we need to clean the skin in those locations because that's where the electrode is going to be placed. So take a damp washcloth, rub vigorously in those locations to clean the skin. Next, we're going to connect the electrodes to the lead wire cable. The orientation doesn't matter. You can connect it either way. Either electrode can be connected to either end of the cable. Next, we're going to peel the electrode from the edge of the electrode off of the liner and place the electrode over the first primary location of pain on your forearm. The next electrode will be placed 1 inch apart or over the second location of pain. The edges of the electrodes can never touch each other because you can get a burn. So 1 inch is the minimum spacing. Next, we're going to plug the other end of the cable into the port on the 45-degree angle of the device. We want to make sure it clicks all the way in so you have a good connection. That cable can spin around 360 degrees in the port. That's totally fine. Now we're ready to turn on the device. The power buttons on the top of the device hold it down until the screen lights up. The LED bars turn green first, that's the battery strength, then they quickly turn to white. White is your countdown timer. To start the treatment, we're going to press the plus button, keep turning it up so that the sensation is strong but comfortable. Blue is the intensity that you see on the LED bar graph. After 3 seconds, it turns back to white, and that's your countdown timer. Throughout the course of the treatment, it's very important to keep the sensation you feel as strong as possible, but still comfortable. And that is how you will provide immediate, long-lasting pain relief for forearm pain.